Assalamu alaikum. My name is Waleed Akhtar, and now today I will tell about how to use Google Ads. Google Ads is a very enhanced keyword and a vast keyword. As in Google Ads, we can do multiple, we can run multiple campaigns by Google Ads. Google Ads is using on Google for website advertisement, and it is also we can use it in for YouTube advertisement, more things for applications and many more. So if you use Google Ads on first step, you can get $400 in credit if you spend $400. I will tell you the complete details, and kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Our course is coming which is free of cost on Google Ads and earn money online. So this is a demo video to start the channel again after a long time. Kindly press the bell icon, subscribe the channel, like the video and comment. Thank you.